Hello everyone, welcome to Little Discoveries. I'm Miss Karen, and over the next couple of months we will be discovering the 4 elements of nature: air, fire, water, and earth. For January, we will be looking at air. Air. What is air? Good thing I'm at a library and could find a book to help us out. So I'm gonna read to you a little bit of Air, Outside, Inside, and All Around by Darlene Still. The air around you. A kite soars on a windy spring day. Tree branches sway. A cloud floats along the sky. Air is all around you. You cannot see air, but you can feel it. Wind is moving air. It blows your hair. It pushes a sailboat across the lake. What is air? Take a deep breath. Feel air filling your lungs. Air is made of gases. One gas in air is called oxygen. Oxygen is important for life. Animals breathe in oxygen. Plants give off oxygen. Breathe out. Push air from your lungs. One of the gases you're breathing out is called carbon dioxide. It is another important gas in air. Plants use carbon dioxide to make their food. Feeling air. Wave your hand in front of you. What feels like a breeze is the air rubbing against your hand. Air rubs against speeding cars and planes the same way. This air rubbing against a car, a plane, or your hand is called air resistance. And today we are going to do some experiments with air. First, I want you to put your hand in front of your face. Now, blow out. What did that feel like? Now, get your straw that you can find in your kit. Do the same thing. How did that feel different? Now, adults, if your little is not quite grasping it, you can do it, or both of you can do it. Put your hand closer and farther away. Put the straw in your hand closer and farther away. Adults, guide the conversation. What does it feel like? We know we can feel air, but what about see air? I have a bright green feather. What happens when I blow on the feather? What about if I blow and let it go? What happened? Did you see the air pushing the feather? Pushing the little feelers on the feather? Pushing it to keep it up for a little while? Have some fun. Put the feather on the table. See how far it goes. Maybe put the straw on the table and blow. Find other objects around the house. Find something heavy. Does that one move? Try out a whole bunch of different things. We can also see air by making this cool safety pinwheel. Now don't worry, there's no actual pins in this pinwheel. So I'm going to show you how you put it together. I'm gonna quickly show you kind of how to put this pinwheel together. In your kits, I've also given you a link to the original video for this. So if you need some extra help, you can always check that out. So first we have our square like this. I've already cut out and all our little circles here. And what you're going to do with our pieces of glue here, now how I made mine was I cut these guys in half because you don't really need the whole thing for each piece. But you're going to put one by one so that they are giving you a nice hole in the middle. So I would put the piece of glue right there, and then grab the next one and glue this one to that one. Oh, it's a little harder when you're not actually gluing it, but you're going to put them all together like so. You can start off with your straw, wrap the one end, add a couple of beads, add your little round piece, add your real pinwheel part of the piece, another round piece, and twist around to kind of seal it in. That will give you your pinwheel. Now go ahead and blow on it. Oh no, did it not blow very much? Keep messing around with it a little bit. You might need to wiggle some things. Make sure your glue doesn't get stuck on your pipe cleaner piece. That happened to me. Just keep playing around with it. You can blow with your own breath. You can put it in front of a fan or maybe a blow dryer. All sorts of fun you can have. And then you see how your air moves with the pinwheel. Our book also talked about air pressure. So I have a cool experiment for this too. You're gonna need the string and put the string through your straw and get that balloon out. Now we're gonna tape the balloon to the straw. I suggest using some painter's tape or something similar that's a little more gentle on your balloon. And blow it up. Make sure the tape is sticking to the balloon okay. And now let's see what happens. Let go of the balloon. Oh, wow! That balloon was fast! The strength of the air being released in the balloon made the balloon shoot off down the string. How cool was that? If you want to explore more about air with your little, try hot and cold air. It's pretty cold outside, right? Maybe we go outside and feel the cold air. Do you have a handhold fan? Try that out outside. Feel that extra cold air. Do you have a blow dryer? Feel the warm air. You can also use the story of the 3 little pigs to have fun with air. Maybe you make a little tower out of different things. See which one holds up. Lots of fun you can have with air. I hope you had as much fun as I did discovering air. And I hope that you'll join us next month. Bye-bye.